Condition Pacers lined up for tonight's 11th race to kick off the late pick 3, a field of 9. Run gate. And they're off. I've got a feeling goes firing out from the far outside. Sweet Little Heart left, and Camp Counselor was out well from the sitter as they race into that opening turn. Charles Perry Jr., but I've got a feeling the big long shot is up to clear and take early control as Camp Counselor sweeps up at the outside second around Sweet Little Heart. Fortune Road is away at the fourth spot. The Shadow Nose fifth in front of Mighty MacArthur. Endeavor's Moment back in the seventh spot in front of Lady Cambest. The Treller Face Blitz in gray as they're through an opening quarter, 27-1. I've got a feeling that they're winging it here to 80-1. He travels up the backstretch with a 10-length lead. Charles Perry driving. I've got a feeling like he stole them here. Still 10 lengths on top up the backstretch with Camp Counselor cutting his own mile back in second. Sweet Little Heart yet to get underway third as Fortune Road continues at the inside of fourth in front of the Shadow Nose. Mighty MacArthur takes to the outside in sixth. They're past the half, 54-3, 27-2 in that second quarter. I've got a feeling still there, but that lead diminishing as they move on to the far turn. Camp Counselor is second. Sweet Little Heart still at the inside third. Now Bolin is on the move with Mighty MacArthur around the far turn, and I've got a feeling, not feeling so well right now. Mighty MacArthur is 3 wide to the outside around Camp Counselor. Sweet Little Heart moves up with the Shadow Nose in between. Mighty MacArthur strikes the lead. Past 3 quarters, 125-3. Camp Counselor trying to take over the second spot. There at the inside, Sweet Little Heart is down the center. Far outside, Lady Cambest is firing late. They hit mid-stretch. Mighty MacArthur is still there. Lady Cambest is surging up at the outside. Sweet Little Heart down at the inside third. They come for the finish. Mighty MacArthur still on top. It's Mighty MacArthur to win it. Lady Cambest finished second. Sweet Little Heart third. Face Blitzen Gray was up for fourth in 155.